Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error. That is, there was a problem starting logi.lda.dll. The specified module could not be found. So if you are receiving this error message on your Windows PC, then please follow the steps shown in this video. First of all, go ahead and end the Logitech Download Assistant from Task Manager. So make a right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Now scroll down and find all the Logitech services which is running over here. So here you can see Logi App Broker, Logi Analysis Client, Logitech Setpoint. So go ahead and select one by one and then click on End Task. Select the second End Task. Go ahead and end all the Logitech services which is running over here. And then open Task Manager once again. Make a right click, then make a right click on Taskbar, then click on Task Manager. And then this time go to the Startup tab. Scroll down, and if you find Logitech software running over here, select it and then click on Disable. So that should go ahead and fix the problem. But still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and delete the Logitech Download Assistant from Windows Registry. So go ahead and go to this path. So open Registry Editor. So go ahead and type in Registry Editor, or you can open a Run box. You can just make a right click and then click on Run as Administrator, or you can open a Run box and then type in regedit, regedit. Just go ahead and type in regedit, then click on OK, then click on Yes to allow, and then go to H key local machine, expand it, then expand the software folder, expand the software, then expand the Microsoft folder, scroll down and find Microsoft. So here it is. Expand this Microsoft, then expand the Windows folder, scroll down and find Windows. So here you can see the Windows folder, expand it, and then expand current version. Here you can see current version, expand it, and then expand the run. So find run, scroll down. So here you can find the run. So select run, and over here find Logitech Download Assistant. If you find any Logitech entry over here, just make a right click and then click on delete. So in my case it's not there. In your case you might find Logitech Download Assistant over here, and then make a right click and then click on delete, then restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then restart your computer after you delete, then go ahead and check. You should not be receiving that error message anymore. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Logitech software. So to uninstall, open this link, and this is Revo Installer. So this will help you to uninstall the Logitech software completely from your computer, then we will reinstall. So this is Revo Uninstaller. Click on Free Downloads and then click on Free Download. Do not pay anything, just click on Free Download, and once you click on Free Download, a exe file will download. Go ahead and run the exe file and then install the Revo Uninstaller. Once this is installed, you can go ahead and launch Revo Uninstaller on your computer, and then scroll down and find Logitech software. So here I can see Logitech software over here. Select it, then click on uninstall on the top, then click on continue. Then click on continue. Now this might take several minutes, so let it complete. Now once this is done, click on close, and then over here you have to go ahead and click on scan, and this will delete all the leftover files of Logitech software from the registry. So let this complete, then click on select all and then click on delete, then click on yes, and that will go ahead and uninstall Logitech software completely from your computer. Then go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart, and after the system restart, use this link to install Logitech software if you are using Logitech software on your computer. So open any browser. If you're not using any Logitech mouse or keyboard and you don't need the software, then you don't have to reinstall it, but in case you're using it, then you can go ahead and reinstall. So open this link and scroll down and then click on show all downloads, then select the operating system, whatever operating system you have selected, and if you have 32-bit system, go ahead and download the 32-bit. If you have 64-bit, you can go ahead and download the 64-bit, install it, and then that error should go away. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.